How to build the basic text-to-image workflow in ComfyUI. Add checkpoint loader. Double-click on the canvas to open the node search and input load. Choose checkpoint loader simple. Click and drag the clip dot and let go. Choose clip text encode prompt. This is where we input our prompt. We need to double-click on the canvas and add case sampler art. It has 4 inputs. Connect each one with corresponding connections. Add an empty latent image node to connect with latent image. Drag the dot and let it go. Choose VideoPlus code. Connect VA with the VA in the checkpoint loader. Add the image output node. I like the preview image, it won't save the image automatically. You save it only when you like it. Now we have every node we need. To make the workflow easier to read, we can change the node's title and color by right-clicking the node. Input the positive and negative prompts in the corresponding areas. Choose the model you like to use. Select the size of the image. Click Q prompt to run. Highlight shows the process. Right-click the image, you can choose to save it or open it. Thanks for watching.